Okay, this is Standish-Sterling Central High School in Standish. And we are trying to reverse our way out of here. More snow. I guess you would call this a flurry or a squall, not a storm. I'm just going to have a small video today. You can see winter has really come on us like a vengeance. I apologize for all the jostling around. I have bad stroke hand. Here we go. Thursday, November 29th. And it definitely looks like it could be December, or it could be January, February, but not really what's associated with November. And I'm not the only one saying this. They're saying it all over the Midwest. Just buried, like in Kansas. And there have been other people taking videos of this storm that we had this week. I will give you some of the really pretty up here. This is part of the up north, as they call it, of Michigan, where people have cottages up north. Standish is like gateway to up north, heading towards very much a vacation resort area called Eau Gray and Tawas. Alpena, all the way up the east coast of lower Michigan towards Mackinac Island. Mackinac City is in lower Michigan. But it is very pretty, and I wanted to show you all this lovely area as we drive towards M13 or US 23. I think it's mixed up, but we won't be on there long, and we'll be getting on I-75 and heading back. Definitely, these people up here also had school. Their school wasn't called off. They're used to dealing with this kind of stuff. But snow is snow. And as they say in the movie making business, footage is footage. And this morning I really wish I would have taken the going to work commute, because there were some beautiful Christmas lights on one of the roads I take to get on Wheeler Road, which is the infamous Wheeler Road, which I've told you about.